this and go take people out of the air.
Ooh, that's full stack. You're feeling it tonight, Brad. You're feeling it. I can tell.
Battle Royale.
With my balls.
Be advised, gas is closing
I just want to
in.
kill people.
Proceed to the safe
That's
zone.
all I want to do. On this game.
Now, I was just about to ask.
Let me make that
First as well?
clear. Let me make
I
that
need to make a
clear.
phone call real quick.
First Sergeant.
911.
Sergeant Crawford is having complimentary. He said something about
I
deployment.
don't even know who your first sergeant is.
Prescott, bro.
Oh yeah, you're still there. To me, you're already out.
Right? I'm my first sergeant.
You're your own first sergeant or your own CO. You know what, actually, I'm gonna try and land my helicopter.
You might want to go quick. There's somebody right there.
Got it.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna head to this building.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Ooh, I almost fucked up. Come on, go, come on. Where's that juice? Somebody's landing here, Pry.
Enemies hit.
Ooh, they can come in here.
You got that bounty yet, Pry?
Nope.
I didn't get anybody. You want to land and get out of here, or you want me to just dump the plane?
Dump it, because I'm about to get some kills.
Alright, lads, let's get it done.
Grab this guy's stuff. It's all up here.
The enemy team is hunting you. Stay alert.
I don't know where his teammate is, though, bro.
There was someone in the middle of the street
Moving.
last time I was in the air.
He's right here. He's inside the plane.
Got him.
I would like some help. I would like some help. The shitty part is we don't have plates.
No, we do not. Oh, he had plates, so thank God. Oh, he actually got some good weapons back.
Did you plate up? I don't have any plates, bro.
No. I only have one.
Shit.
Well, get another buy. Oh, hello. Yo. Here, Brett, I give you this weapon, though.
I already have
two.
two. I have two.
Oh, go fucking simple. Okay.
Alright, let's come loot over here.
Positive ID on the bounty target. Sort them out.
Go right towards the bounty. Okay.
Right?
The bounty that we are not prepared for because we have no plates.
At all, in the slightest.
Oh my God.
Oh, plate. Thank you, Jesus.
Right there next to you. I don't know if you picked that up.
They're not by me.
They're the buy station. Look to your left.
There's people over there, yes.
Come on, get back in the air.
Stop. Our bounty's over here, though.
Damn, fucking Bertha's here now.
Alright, I'm heading towards the bounty.
I am not combat effective. I have 0 plates still.
Fuck, pry. I'll go buy some.
That's what I'm heading to do. I don't have enough. Damn.
Gas is closing in.
Hopefully this Bertha doesn't get me.
If you have rocket ammo, I could.
Oh, well, you should probably send it, because he's coming after me right now.
Oh.
Target is down. Well done.
I deterred him.
Okay.
Right behind you.
Oh, shit, bro. He's gonna come after me. He's coming after me, Cry.
I only have one.
There's plates down here.
I have no plates.
I know.
I tried to explain that to you. I don't know what you
I
were
dropped
doing.
plates for you. I marked them and everything.
How does that help when the
Fight
guys
to
are
earn
behind you?
redeployment.
As soon as I start that,
Jump down there and go get him.
He could blow a kiss at me and kill me.
You could have snuck up behind him.
Okay, he's middle.
Pay
He's
attention.
middle.
You'll be out there.
I'm not in there.
While you wait,
Oh, though. Good
And
call.
if you find
Because
something,
I saw you
feel
at.
free to
I
give
saw.
them that as well.
Yep.
That's his spawn middle, pushing
Here we
middle.
go.
He did.
You got
He's
bombed.
no longer. He's no longer with us.
Win this fight,
Sure the
you
fuck
return to
did.
the front line.
All right.
You
I'm
lose,
gonna wait for
you're
you.
done here.
You got a weapon? I'm fist.
You're up, soldier. Now go sort
Oh, you got
this
fists?
fucker out.
Oh, I love fists. I wish we could have swapped. I hope I. Hold on. Let me make sure I started the recording. Stop doing that. Okay, I did. All right. I think this is the way the drop came in. There's a shit ton of people here.
You gave him a
Ooh,
fight.
let's
Stand by
go.
for them.
I was gonna say if nobody went to there, are we going there? Let's go.
Yeah, I'm bowing. Actually,
We don't
probably go
get
here.
bodied.
I'm gonna lose.
Too late. I've already started the drop. I have executed the drop.
Fucking pride, getting money hungry, and just when we're not combat effective, we cannot push like that.
Fine. We'll do whatever the fuck I say we're doing.
Bounty target identified. Slot the bastard.
Help me, help you, no?
Right, you better grow a fucking pair. Tonight we ain't fucking around. We're here to get bodies and rape people.
All right, when I push
Is that
like
what
crazy,
you want to
then-
do?
When I push like crazy, you better be with me on my ass.
I'm gonna be right there. I'm gonna be all up in that ass.
I already started pushing.
Oh shit, you didn't say anything. You gotta communicate still. This doesn't fucking happen.
Bounty target is
Nice.
down.
Well, we just got some
done.
money. Enough for a loadie.
Do we? No, I don't think so.
No fucking pry. No.
I got plates if you need it.
Oh, well, I definitely need it. You know what I got for you?
What you got for me?
De nada. I got nothing. Unless you want that. Or that.
Dropping you 2 plates.
Plate me. Where'd you steal these
Um,
from? Fucking Mexican.
Órale, Colombia, eh?
Oh, yeah, we got dudes right here. Let's go, Pry.
Where?
Let's
Where?
fucking go right in front of
where?
us.
Fucking where? Okay.
Got contact.
Oh, they're taking on zombies or something. They're probably in there.
Here I go.
No, they just bodied somebody right here.
Oh, they're coming right next to me?
Are they?
Yep.
I'm coming over the top, Pry.
I don't know where you're at. One's down. To your left.
Barely standing. Too close.
I died right there.
You bitches. Fuck y'all. I have no more blades. Pry, I pushed with you. I RPG'd him.
I see 4 of them. One went down. Get my buy me back.
That's what I'm trying to fucking do, Pry.
Fucking buy me back. Buy me back, bitch.
There's an aid station.
Oh, I can't buy you back, huh?
With the one plate that you have. There's a bounty next to you. You might want to pick that up.
There's a lot of things I should probably do.
Ooh, that loadout's back at TV station though.
He dropped somebody here.
What? I'm just gliding right now to see if I can see anybody.
Is there anybody around me?
I don't see anything.
Okay, I thought he dropped somebody here.
I'm thinking about going to that building right there on top.
Here I go.
Do you, Pry? Do you?
Just so I can see if I can get something good there.
You don't see anybody though?
I don't see anybody right now. I don't see anybody moving through the hangars, on the airplane.
Okay, we'll go to your
It
building.
Gas is closing in.
looks clear based on my point of view.
Is that a bounty over here? Hold on. Let me
Yeah.
get that bounty.
Okay, there's a person
Inside the
right
cellar.
there. My
Now.
ping. Looks like they're just passing. Alright, dropping down.
Do you? I can jump down from here. I jump, I don't get shot. I'm trying to get this bounty.
Bounty target identified. Slot the bastard.
Okay, well, you're at that building still?
Yep.
Coming in hot.
People have been here.
Oh, hold on.
What?
Never mind. I heard the neighbor's dogs barking, and I thought it was Simba.
Do you need a plate, Pry?
Nope. Do you have two?
I have one. But I
Okay,
was going to
well,
give it
good.
to you because you had none.
Well, we're about
we
to
need
go
to
get
go
our
the other
bounty,
way.
so... What? What do you mean?
Do you really want to push that bounty?
Right, I'm about getting bodies tonight. I'm joking. We can
Okay.
keep going. We can
Because
keep going.
I don't feel comfortable with the weapons I have. I feel like he's going to get schwacked.
Cool. I believe in your judgment, bro. Sometimes. Unlooted.
The top's not.
Who wants a sniper?
God, it's so different playing on my Xbox than here.
On the field upgrade.
Oh, we gotta go. We gotta go, dog. Hey, I was right now.
Yeah,
Well done.
you were.
We're gonna have to grab that big crack.
Why?
Maybe not. It's gonna be close.
No, I think we'll be fine. We definitely have dudes in front of us. This building right next to me is unlooted.
Trying. Oh fuck, that was a stupid idea. I gotta go. I gotta haul ass.
We're haul acid, probably.
Oh shit! Moment of truth. I made it. Thank God.
The only good thing is this shit's unlooted.
Let me ask you this, Pry. Do you think it'd be helpful if you were able to program 2 more buttons on your controller to do whatever you want in Call of Duty?
Yep.
What would you program the 2 to be?
Suck my dick while I'm playing the game.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
That bounty just disappeared. Somebody picked it up.
He died.
No, I said another bounty. There was another one. I have 4 plates.
In
now.
here? It's in here?
It was, I think, in that building.
Where's the buy station?
Moving.
I didn't say buy station.
No, we need to get to a buy station though. This one is closer.
Oh, Pry, on me.
Oh fuck! I didn't know you moved. Fucking A, Prime.
One is
You gotta
down.
tell me you're
One is
moving.
down. He's picking up his guy. He's picking up his guy right now on top. He's on top in the middle. He's picking him up. He's reviving him right now. He's about to be up. He's up. To the left, to the left, to the left, to the left.
Fuck.
They were right there, both of them.
The f-
We lost that one.
They were both
that's
sniping.
that's behind me. That's not to the left.
You were 100% to the left, Brad.
That was
100%.
behind me. That was
I-
behind me. Not to my left. That was behind. I came through the door. So I come through the door, right?